How to remove this message could not be displayed in Telegram. If you are encountering this message could not be displayed error on Telegram, is typically due to content restrictions, regional limitations, or account settings. So here is how you can address this issue. Number one step is enable sensitive content. Telegram filters sensitive content by default, so to disable this filter, simply log into your Telegram account on your web browser, just like this. After that, tap on the three lines at the top right here, select it. Then here you can find settings option, tap on it. Then scroll down and here you can find privacy and security, select it. Then again scroll down and here you can find sensitive content. Now simply enable it by tapping onto this button, just like this. And now you can see the sensitive content is now enabled. Next step is use the Nicegram bot. Nicegram is a Telegram bot that can help bypass certain content restrictions. Now go to Telegram application, just like this. Now simply search for @Nicegram bot, just like this. Search for it. Now here you can find it right here, select it. Now simply start a chat and click to start, and when prompted, confirm you are 18 years old and restart Telegram and attempt to access the content again. And that's it. This is how you can remove this message could not be displayed in Telegram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.